Raise your hand for me if you're trying to clean with bunny tears and puppy tears. Anyone? You? No? That's what I thought. Nobody's trying to clean with bunny and puppy tears, and I know that's why you're here today. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Be Green with E. I'm Erin. I'm so happy to have you guys here today. Real quick before we get into this video, go ahead and subscribe below. As well, hit the little bell next to the subscribe button. That way you don't miss out on our videos that are coming out twice a week. One of the harder aspects of going cruelty-free is home care products. From surface cleaner to toilet cleaner and everything in between, this is one aspect of cruelty-free that can be difficult to find a cleaning product that works, is safe, and cruelty-free. So if you're already changing over your beauty routine, that is fantastic. You don't have to do everything at once. But now, if you're on the step where you're trying to switch all of your cleaning products over to something more cruelty-free, hopefully this video will help you. I was really lucky to find this brand early on. My go-to cleaning product is Mrs Meyers Clean Day. I've used it for many years now, and I don't really expand my horizons because I found something that I like. But if you guys have your own cruelty-free cleaning product that is great for you, leave a comment below and let me know what that product is, because I'd be more than happy to test it out myself and see how it works. Mrs Meyers offers a wide variety of products, from household cleaners to body care, laundry detergent, and air fresheners and candles. They really have a great selection. As well, all of their scents really have a great natural smell to them. Mrs Meyers products are made without parabens, phthalates, MEA and DEA, glycol solvents, chlorine, formaldehyde, and artificial colors. It's scary, but yes, formaldehyde is actually found in many household cleaners, and we use that to embalm dead bodies. Like, why am I cleaning my house with it? Mrs Meyers likes to highlight that they use plant-derived ingredients, natural essential oils, aloe vera, glycerin, and soap bark extract. I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm not going to read off the ingredient list to you, but the great thing about Mrs Meyers is that you can go to their website online and they have an ingredient index. There are a couple ingredients in here that I wasn't thrilled about, like preservatives. However, I understand the need for them. With any product that has water, there's going to be bacteria. You're going to have to preserve it somehow if it's sitting on the shelves. Mrs Meyers has a wide variety of scents, and they're all very natural. They've got basil, lemon verbena, honeysuckle. As well, they've got some really great holiday scents out now. One of them is acorn, which sounds a little weird, but I smelled it in the store and I really loved it actually. It's very fall and festive and I like it a lot. I definitely have grease splatter all over the top of my stove pretty regularly. I use a decent amount of oil when I cook. These products do a great job of degreasing and cleaning and leaving my surfaces with a streak-free shine. Now, as I mentioned, they have a wide variety of products. The products that I've mainly used for Mrs Meyers are going to be the surface cleaners and the soaps. So I can't really speak on the other products, but with the success I've had with these products, I would have no doubt that the other products work just as well. Another thing that I love about Mrs Meyers is that you can buy these smaller bottles, figure out the scents that you like, and then you can come back and buy these big refills. This is a really strong concentrate, so honestly, you only need like a cap or two to refill this whole bottle. Another eco-friendly aspect of the company is that all of their liquid products are 100% biodegradable. As well, their solid products are mostly biodegradable. All of the containers are made with about 25% post-consumer resin, so they are partially recycled, and the containers are all recyclable and reusable. There's no reason to throw this bottle away, people. This is a perfectly good bottle. You see how heavy this plastic is? Don't put this in the landfill when you can use it again. I didn't mean to yell at you guys, I'm sorry. I just get worked up about this. Mrs Meyers Clean Day prides itself on all of its products being cruelty-free as well as vegan. These products are pretty widely available. The place I see the biggest selection is going to be Target. However, if you go online on the Mrs Meyers website, I saw some really great price bundles. As well, I know that Grove, an online retailer, they either do seasonal or maybe like first-time buyers. They offer this really great promotion where they give you a bunch of free Meyers products if you make a minimum purchase. So you can check out Grove online, or you can just go to Mrs Meyers or visit your local Target and you can check out these products. This is definitely a hard-working home care product. I feel very confident in suggesting this product to you, and I hope that with the information I've provided, I'm able to help you guys make an educated decision about the products that you want to use to keep your home clean. But this is a tremendous step in the right direction as opposed to, those cleaners. Thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I really hope that I was able to give you enough information to make you feel confident in this step of your cruelty-free journey. If you wouldn't mind going ahead and giving me a like for this video, I really appreciate it. As well, feel free to subscribe down below and hit that little bell next to the subscribe button. Or you can feel free to follow me on Twitter at BeGreenWithE. That's where I'm going to be posting the most updates about this channel. As well, I post really great information about cruelty-free news, eco-friendly news, and lots of things along those lines. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will be seeing you soon. Bye!